For the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung has chosen a more powerful camera. The camera on the Galaxy S23 Ultras is not just 200 megapixels, but it is also the most significant improvement in camera quality we have ever seen. The S22 Ultra is the greatest Android camera phone of 2022, although it seems that the S23 Ultra will surpass it. You are now seeing the first leaked camera shots of the Galaxy S23 Ultra in comparison to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and these photographs were potentially taken in low-light circumstances. As you can see, the picture on the S23 Ultra is much clearer and brighter. Despite the fact that this sensor produces 50-megapixel photos, the camera software for it is still under development. With the official release, Samsung may unlock it for consumers, which means you will be able to capture 50-megapixel or even 12-megapixel photographs, which will be a great balance of quality. Finally, in outdoor situations, you may get picture quality of up to 200 megapixels. Samsung is going all in on its 200-megapixel camera, which will boast the best night mode performance of any smartphone ever. According to Ice Universe, Samsung has significantly enhanced the night mode performance on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which includes improvements in both night photography and videography. When compared to the S22 Ultra, its 200-megapixel sensor captures more detailed and brighter images in low light while requiring less night processing time. Although the 3x and 10x camera specifications are identical to those of the S22 Ultra, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has a better telephoto sensor, which definitely displays significant improvements in color contrast and various AI algorithms, which are critical for Samsung to unlock the best camera performance. This is the first time in the last 5 years that Samsung has made significant advancements in camera specifications. Even though it has the same telescopic camera hardware, the Galaxy S23 Ultra will provide crisper photographs with superior outcomes. With the new Ultra Stabilization patch, Samsung opted to up the ante. This Ultra hack is set to surpass Apple's current action mode on the iPhone 14 Pro. For those who are unaware, this function aids in stabilizing shaky footage and allows the iPhone to capture films with heavy motions. For a long time, Samsung has had a super steady mod that provides the same amount of stability, however there is a significant difference. The iPhone's Action mod can record movies at 2.8K quality, whilst the Samsung Super Steady mod can only record films at 1080p, but I am now really enthusiastic for the Galaxy S23 Ultra to eventually overcome its faults. The design will be comparable to the S22 Ultra, but all advancement will take place beneath the hood. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.